Calling in sick to work in America. Professional English real-life workplace phone conversation practice. Hi there, welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how Americans professionally call in sick to work. This is one of the most important workplace conversations in English. What should you say to your boss? How do you sound polite and professional? What phrases do Americans use when they're too sick to work? That's exactly what you'll practice today. You'll learn natural English for calling your manager, explaining your situation, talking about work responsibilities, and sounding respectful and professional. These are real phrases people use every day in American workplaces. So listen carefully, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice speaking naturally. Let's begin. Calling your manager. Hello? Hi, this is Michael. Hey Michael, what's up? I'm not feeling well today. Oh no, what's going on? I've had a fever since last night and I'm feeling really weak this morning. I'm sorry to hear that. Did you get any sleep? Not much, honestly. I kept waking up during the night. That sounds rough. Yeah, I definitely don't think I'm well enough to come into work today. Explaining your condition. Do you think it might be the flu? Maybe. I also have a headache and a sore throat. That doesn't sound good at all. Have you seen a doctor yet? Not yet. I'm planning to go to urgent care later today if I don't feel better. That's probably a good idea. Yeah, I just didn't want to come into the office and risk getting everyone else sick. I appreciate that. Thanks for letting me know early. Of course, I wanted to call as soon as possible. Talking about work responsibilities. Take the day off and focus on resting. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Don't worry about work today. Actually, I'll still check my email in case anything urgent comes up. That's very responsible of you, but seriously, don't overwork yourself while you're sick. I'll try not to. If needed, I can also send over my project notes to the team. That would be helpful. Just email them whenever you have time. Will do. I already updated most of the files yesterday afternoon. Perfect. That'll make things easier for everyone. Talking about returning to work. Do you think you'll be back tomorrow? Hopefully. I'm going to rest today and see how I feel tonight. Sounds good. Just keep me posted. Absolutely. And if I'm still feeling sick tomorrow morning, I'll let you know early. Perfect. Health comes first. Thanks for understanding. Of course, feel better soon. Thank you. I appreciate it. Ending the call. All right. Get some rest and drink plenty of fluids. I will. Thanks again for being understanding. No problem at all. Take care of yourself. You too. Goodbye. Bye. Fast shadowing practice. Hi, this is Michael. I'm not feeling well today. Oh no, what's going on? I've had a fever since last night. Take the day off and get some rest. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'll still check my email if anything urgent comes up. Don't worry about work today. I should hopefully be back tomorrow. Keep me posted. Feel better soon. Thanks again. Excellent work today. Now you know how to professionally call in sick at an American workplace using real everyday English. And remember, professional English is not only about grammar, it's also about sounding polite, calm, and respectful in real-life situations. The more you practice conversations like this, the more natural and confident your English will become. So replay this lesson, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice speaking daily. That's how fluency becomes automatic. If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more real-life American English conversations. Comment "Sick call done" if you practice today. And tell me what lesson you want next. Asking for a promotion? Writing professional emails? Customer service calls? Talking to your manager? Office small talk. Keep practicing every single day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.